let me be honest. Most AI tools today are just chatbots wearing a developer costume. But something big is changing. AI is quietly moving out of the browser, out of chat boxes, and directly into real workflows, terminals, testing tools, security systems, even autonomous agents. Today, I'm going to show you 5 underrated AI tools that don't just assist you. They act, plan, and execute. Most developers haven't noticed them yet. But in a year, these ideas will feel obvious. Let's start where developers spend half their lives, the terminal. 1. Kimi Code CLI. Imagine your terminal didn't just wait for commands, but actually understood your intent. That's exactly what Kimi Code CLI does. This isn't autocomplete. This isn't a wrapper around ChatGPT. It's an AI agent living inside your terminal. You can ask it to read and refactor your code, run shell commands, fetch documentation from the web, debug errors, and plan multi-step tasks. And the wild part? You never leave the CLI. Normally, when something breaks, we copy an error, open a browser, paste it into chat, explain context, paste the answer back. Kimi skips all of that. You just say, fix this build error and explain why it happened. And it does the workflow for you. This feels less like a tool and more like a junior engineer who lives in your terminal. If you're backend, DevOps, or infra, this is a serious productivity shift. But once AI lives in your terminal, the next step is letting it control the browser. 2. Playwright CLI. Most people think browser automation is complicated. Frameworks, configs, boilerplate. Playwright CLI says, nope. With a single terminal command, you can launch real browsers, record interactions, generate scripts, run tests, or debug broken flows. No heavy setup, no giant test framework, just automation when you need it. It's perfect for quick end-to-end testing, scraping, reproducing bugs, or experimenting. This is why Playwright isn't just a testing tool anymore. It's becoming a developer utility layer for the web. Now here's the problem. As AI starts doing more for us, we lose visibility. 3. Claude Task Viewer. Have you ever asked an AI to do something complex and then just stared at the screen wondering, what is it even doing right now? Claude Task Viewer fixes that. It turns AI execution into a Kanban-style task board. Instead of one giant response, you see tasks, dependencies, progress, and execution order in real time. This solves one of the biggest problems in AI coding: zero transparency. When tasks get long or complex, visibility matters more than speed. And once you can see what AI is doing, the next step is structuring how it works. 4. Homunculus. Most people still treat AI like this. Here's a prompt. Do everything. That model doesn't scale. Homunculus treats AI like a system, not a conversation. You define boundaries, workflows, responsibilities, and human-AI coordination rules. Instead of chaos, you get structure. Instead of demos, you get reliable agent behavior. This is how AI moves from cool experiments to production-ready systems. And finally, let's talk about the most uncomfortable use case of AI. 5. Shannon, autonomous AI pen testing. Most security tools scan your app, list possible vulnerabilities, and leave the rest to humans. Shannon doesn't just scan, it attacks. It behaves like a real red team hacker. It runs reconnaissance, maps attack paths, breaks authentication, tests injections. And most importantly, it proves vulnerabilities with real exploits. No false positives, no guesswork, just real reproducible proof of concept attacks. This is what security looks like when AI stops observing and starts acting. If there's one pattern across all these tools, it's this. AI is leaving the chat box. It's entering terminals, browsers, workflows, systems. We're not heading towards smarter assistants. We're heading toward autonomous collaborators. Most people won't notice this shift until it's everywhere. If you want to stay ahead of it, this channel is for you. Subscribe for more underrated AI tools, real use cases, and signals most people miss.